And local problems are also coming.
Spokesperson H.M. Xiangliang today said that the decision of the DC to bar victory rallies on June 4th is his decision and the party has no say on the matter. He said that the DC, based on assessment of police taking into account the law and order situation, takes his decision since he is the authority to decide on election-related matters. The East Khasi Hills DC recently prohibited victory rallies on June 4th, and this order has not gone well with many political parties.
Law and order in the city or in the district is handled by the district administration, and therefore from our party, NPP, we have nothing to say on this. We leave it in the good hands of the district administration. We have full faith in the able administration of the DC and the SP of Shillong, and therefore we hope that all general public of the city would cooperate